day everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Yuglo Fashion. So today we'll be learning how to make kissing pleat gown with Bustier, and I assure you're going to learn a lot in this tutorial, so please stay tuned to the end and watch the video very well. And if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you are blessed in Jesus' name. Thank you very much and stay blessed.
For this tutorial, shoulder to nipple point is 9.5, shoulder to underbust is 13.5, shoulder to half length is 16, the circumference of bust is 35, circumference of underbust is 29, circumference of half length is 28, then the nipple to nipple is 7, the gown length is 45, and the I don't need the grip. The shoulder is 15 and the sleeve is 12 and 11 respectively. So now the down bodies of the gown first, reason being that that's the part that is going to consume more fabric. So the length of the gown is 45. So I'm going to subtract the half length from the length of the gown, which will be 16, 45 minus 16, because the half length is 16. That will give me 29. So the length that I am working with now for the down body should be 29. But I'm adding 1 inch for the folding, that's the down part, then half inch to connect it to the upper body, which is the bust. Yeah. So now that will make it that 29 plus 1.5. That's 30.5. So I'll first check out the 30.5. We're going to start with this first. So now, 30.5 from here to here. Then the circumference of the half length is what I'm going to make use of, because that's where the pleat is going to start from. So the circumference of the half length is 28 inches. So this 28, I'm going to multiply it by 3 for the kissing pleat. So I'm going to multiply this 28 by 3. Let me first cut out this part of my hands. 84 inches, which is 28 times 3. Put this aside. So now for the upper bodies, I measured the nipple point. I'm using the size of the shoulder, so I started from here. The shoulder to nipple point, that's 9.5. Shoulder to under bust, that's 15.5. Then shoulder to half length, that's 16.5. So I've measured that. Sorry, shoulder to half length 16. Then I added half inch, just the way I did for the down bodies for my joining of the two. So I added half inch to it. Then after that, I measured the circumference of the shoulder, which is 15 inches divided by 2. See, I folded my fabric, my lining into 2. So now I measured 7.5 here. Then at the nipple point, I measured the circumference of the nipple point, which is 35 inches divided by 4. That's 5 divided by 4. Then I added 2 inches for my seam. So I did likewise for the underbust. The underbust is 29 inches divided by 4, then plus 2 inches for my seam allowance. For the half length is 28 divided by 4, then plus 2 inches for my seam allowance. So I connected the two together. So for the armhole, after measuring the armhole, after measuring the 7.5 inches for the shoulder, I measure 7 inches from that shoulder down to 7 inches. Then I move it out. So from there, from this point, I measure 1 inch inside. Then back to the shoulder, I measure 4.5 inches. Then from 0.5, I come out with just half. So I connected everything together. I connected the lines together. So that's for the main body. But now for the Bustier part of it, Then I'm going to make use of the nipple to nipple, which is 7 inches. So nipple to nipple divided by 2 will give me 3.5. So I'm starting the 3.5 from the nipple point, just like I'm measuring the dart. So I started it from the nipple point. So I'm going to connect that together. Then from there, I'll measure another 2 inches. 2 inches. I'll read that out as well. Then these 2 inches, this side and this side are to share the 2 inches. So this part will take half from the 2 inches. So I'm connecting it from, this is the nipple point. So I'm connecting it, let me label it, nipple point, under bust, then half length. So I'm connecting it from the under bust to where the 4.5 is. But it must cut across this half inch, having a curve shape. Then this 1.5, the remaining 1.5, I'm going to make a curve shape because this thing is going to have like bust shape. So I'm going to connect it. Then it's going to follow this armhole line. Then the next thing is these 2 inches, I'm going to add it back to my measurement. So that while sewing, I will still have allowance because I've already used 2 inches here. So now I'm going to cut off this part. So this I'm going to reconnect it. Cutting it out. This is what I have left. So I'm going to notch the under bust here. And I will do likewise for here because when I'm sewing, the two must align. So have a good bustier. So for the back body, measure the length of the back. The half length is 16.5, so I've measured this is 16, then I've added half to make it 16.5. Then I chopped 2 inches for my zipper allowance. So I measured that from the shoulder to the half length. Then the circumference of the shoulder is 15 divided by 2, that's 7.5. I've chalked that. So this particular method, I like using it because it's always accurate for me. Then now I'll go ahead and measure the nipple to nipple. The nipple to nipple is 7 inches, that's 3.5. But we add half inch to it to make 4 inches. Then I will come back to the shoulder. From the shoulder, instead of measuring 7 inches, now measure 4.5, just the way I did for the back. So this nipple to nipple measurement is going to be connected to the 4.5. So after that, I'll measure 2 inches. So from that 2 inches, I'll come to this 4.5 and measure half. So I'm connecting this 2 inches to the half. Then I'll measure the circumference of the half length. Circumference of the half length is 28 divided by 4 will give me 7. I'll just connect. And so I do not make use of bust or under bust shape because I'm still going to reshape this. I've joined the back together. I joined the 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4 pieces. So I joined everything together. Then for the front, I did the same as well. I joined them together. So I'm going to place them in each other, and I'll just make a ball shape, something that will help me lift this bustier up. So I will ensure the allowance for the bustier, for the zipper allowance is still there. So I'm going to place them on each other like this. Then you can see excess here. So I'll first cut out this excess. And after that, I'll cut the neckline. So for the neckline for the back is 1 inch high neck. Then for the front is 3 inches. Then by 3. Cutting both front and back together. Cut the front section. So I will notch the zipper allowance. Measurement, you know, I've already gotten the accurate measurement for the front body. I'll go to the back. Then for the armhole, I'll reshape it. 7 inches.
Alright, okay.
That's for the upper body. Yes, transfer the lining, the measurement I have on my lining fabric. Then I've added my paper plate. So I have to stitch the body on it because the gum on the body is not really effective. Not that complete. Yeah, now to join the two together, so I have 3 pieces here now. So I've notched my underboard. This is the notch here as well. So I'll make sure they align. I use pin to secure them together. Joining the together. I open the stitch part, then I iron it. So now I'm going to join my lining. I've added my deeper state to the lining and so I'm going to stitch the neckline. Stitching the neckline from the front body down to the back. I'm doing this to together. This is on one side. Join the lining out. I'm going to stitch the together. And I'll stitch the neckline. Just the front part of the zipper allowance. Doing it like this. Stitch my front body from the back of the body together, but I'll just stitch the shoulder. I will open up the back and I will fix them the front. Fix the shoulder of the view. The next thing is to join the fabric together and the lining together. So now I'll just stitch out the measurement of the fabric. So now after stitching out the measurement of the fabric, likewise for the lining, So I'm going to still stitch the same measurement, the allowance I gave by cutting what I want to give. Now for the pleated part, I subtract the half length by 3. I use it to cut out the pleated part. Then the length of the down bodies, I subtract the half length from the main body, from the down length. And I added 2 inches to it to my folding, and we are going to join to the upper body. So that's what the 2 inches is going for. Then I separated from the lining from the main bodies of the clothes. Now I'm going to start my stitch from the back. So I told you that I'm making use of only 4 piecing pleats. So I'm making use of the dark area. You know, I have like 4 dark here, 2 for the bustier, then 2 at the back. I'll pleat in 3 inches. This folding now is 3 inches. And I'm going to ensure that they are equal. So I'm folding in 3 inches. I prepared it where the dark. So now I'm going to stitch the down bodies together. I will fix my zipper. So I'm stitching a few inches after the half length, like 3 inches after the half length. And you know I gave 2 inches for the zipper allowance, so I measured the 2 inches. After locking the down part and fixing my zipper, I'm going to stitch the lining with this. So I'll stitch the lining where the zipper started from. Turn the zipper with the lining. The next thing is just to stitch the remaining part of the lining. Stitch the two together, then I'll fix my sleeve. So thank you very much for watching this video today.